What's up, guys? We're here in Elite Sports Cards. We are doing the randoms for Group Break 207 Master Case Artifacts. It's 413 here in Denver. 413. First, we're going to do the two wild card redemptions. So, top two will win. They're the same. They're just wild card redemptions. So, top two after three. 1, 2, 3. Keith, you got one, and UC, you got the other. And the other is for the $50 group break credit. 3 times, top will win, $50 group break. Good luck. 1, 2, and 3. Marty on top all 3 times. You little cuck. Congrats, man. Done. Done at 414. 414. Congrats, guys.